So my family has a bit of a secret. As you can see, we accidentally became hoarders. I would say it's not as bad as it looks, but honestly, it's worse. Being stuck at home has inspired us to transform this room from absolutely nothing to a fully functioning at-home gym. If you're also looking to make an at-home gym, keep watching this video because I think I found the best products to get you there. Thanks to Nordic Track for sponsoring today's video. They sent me the S22i Studio Cycle and I'm so excited to show you guys it. Welcome to the Church Family Fitness Studio. I am so happy with how it turned out. It honestly exceeded my expectations and it's pretty simple. All it really took was 4 things. So I want to walk you through what 4 things totally transformed this room to make it an at-home fitness studio. But before we begin, obviously these lights are flickering. I don't know why they do it on camera, but I'll turn them off for the sake of the video, but they in person are totally normal. They're just some LED strip lighting. You can get these at hardware stores. It comes with a remote, so you can change it to whatever color you're feeling is your mood. I think the blue looks really good in here, but I will turn it off so your eyes can rest. This room is 12 feet by 10 feet, not very big, so we pretty much have 3 stations going on here. The first station right up against these mirrors. These were so tough to find because when you think of a fitness studio, you think of like these big floor length mirrors. So when I looked up like gym mirrors, all I could find were these super expensive mirrors for $500. I just was not gonna pay $500 times 4. So the answer is to just go to your local hardware store and they have these mirrors. They're really thin, and then we just use this like caulking adhesive that's like really strong to basically glue it up there, and it makes the room feel so big. It's really great while you're working out. You know, you can see your body and your move. I just love it. It makes you feel so in tune with your workout. So right here is kind of like the yoga station, weights. You can do like HIIT stuff. It's really simple. My family doesn't need a lot of equipment to get a workout in. All we have here, these are like 10-pound weights. Then we have this 20-pound weight. I'm so sore when I use this, but I find it really great for like doing squats. And lastly, we have a 20-pound kettlebell. And then we have a yoga mat. It's really nice. It adds a pop of color, but to be honest, these foam floors are the perfect amount of comfort where you can like totally be down on the ground doing core work and you don't really need the yoga mat. These foam floors are from Amazon. The floor mats came a day late, but that's okay because they're here. We're good. I definitely ordered the black on black, not the checkered, but that's okay. They're super lightweight, but they have a nice texture to them.
Start with a black in the corner or gray in the corner?
Yeah, let's do black. I love them. They were so easy to install. Literally all it took was just unraveling some of the foam and blocking them together. This is pretty cool. It was like the most simple installation ever. My vision for this room was very much like a cool fitness studio gym where it's really quite dark. I like working out in dark environments with cool lighting, but you can't just paint a room black. I think that would be way too intense. And I was a little bit stuck with what to paint this and ended up just going with this kind of light gray, almost white color. And I really think it worked perfectly. It's a bit more cooler toned. It's neutral. And I just let the LED light strips splash the color onto the room that I want that day. I think a light gray like this is really the way to go. Originally we had like this track light. It was super random, didn't really have much style going for it. So we decided to opt for something really simple. This is just a clean white light. And it's nice because we installed a dimmer. And so if you actually just kind of want it to be a bit lower, which personally I like when it's a little bit lower. Really quick, just got a bench from a sporting goods store. This was by my dad's request. He really wanted this bench. This room before, like how would you describe what this room looked like before?
Well, it's like an old bedroom of a teenager that got neglected and turned into a collection of, where do you put this stuff?
It was like we'd go in this room once a year and now I'm in it all the time. The before picture is honestly so embarrassing. Like I don't even know if the internet can see.
I'm gonna go clean my golf clubs.
Okay, you do that. But special credit to my dad because he helped with everything in this room. most exciting part of this room is the Nordic Track. So this is the Nordic Track S22i. It is their cycling machine. One of the biggest reasons why there's not actually a lot in this room is because all I need to get a good workout in is my Nordic Track, because I can do biking on here and get some cardio in. And then a lot of the workouts actually will incorporate weightlifting or core or just like other things to tone your body. And so when you want to do that stuff, all you have to do is move your screen. It's so cool. And then I just have my space right here, and I can do the guided workout, and I can like look in the mirror too, and it's so awesome. With Nordic Track's iFit subscription, you have access to a library of thousands of different workout classes and live workout classes. I'm someone that's not really good at pushing myself to work out. I like going to workout classes, and this really helps motivate me, especially because your trainers are actually able to adjust the incline, decline, resistance, and the speed of your machine to match the environment that you're in. Let's talk about environment also, because they have the fun studio classes, but they also have these really cool travel classes, and these are my favorite to do. I recently did this LUGANO Lakeside ride that's in Switzerland, and you actually ride with your instructor through Switzerland. If you guys are interested in Nordic Track, I will have the link below. All right guys, and that is it. That is how we transformed our hoarder room into a fitness studio. It definitely took some effort, but in general, it was pretty simple. And if you're trying to make your own workout room as well, these are the 4 things that I think will really take it to the next level. The LED lighting, the floor length mirrors, foam flooring so it's really comfortable when you get down on the ground for any exercise, and a really great investment piece of exercise equipment like the Nordic Track products. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Bye. Thank you again to Nordic Track for sponsoring this video. Go to nordictrack.com or click the link below to get your own Nordic Track complete with iFit personal trainers.